I'm thrilled to unbox the Miracomb Professional 6-in-1 Hair Multistyler. Right at the top of the Quick Start Guide, you'll find 2 QR codes, one for warranty registration and another for a detailed tutorial on using the attachments. They're super helpful and easy to follow. Switching attachments is simple. Just align the arrow with the lock icon on the pink head rocking ring, twist, and you're good to go. This all-in-one tool combines titanium and Coanda technology to dry and style hair up to 70% faster with zero heat damage. Right out of the box, you get a high-speed blow dryer, 2 curling barrels, and 3 versatile brushes to curl, smooth, and add volume. I started with the high-speed blow dryer, which dried my hair up to 75% in under 2.5 minutes. Talk about fast. My favorite part? The curling barrels. Just bring a section of hair close, and the Coanda technology wraps it automatically for effortless curls. Hold for about 15 seconds, then press and hold the temperature button to activate the intelligent cold shot. This seals and sets the curls so they last all day. You power off to release the curls. With 3 temperature settings and 3 wind speeds, you can customize styling to match your hair type, plus the built-in ion generator reduces frizz, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. It's like having a personal stylist in your hand. This multi-styler is on sale now, so treat yourself or snag it for the perfect holiday gift.